What if I told you that in 2026, starting a business in the USA does not require thousands of dollars? No loans, no investors, no fancy office. Yet most people fail, and their videos get 5, 7, 6 views again and again. Why? Because they choose the wrong idea, the wrong script, and visuals that don't match. In this video, I'll show you the cheapest real businesses you can start in the USA in 2026, not theory, but practical ideas that actually work. The United States in 2026 is very different from what it was just a few years ago. Inflation is higher, jobs are less secure, and artificial intelligence is replacing traditional roles faster than anyone expected. But this does not mean opportunities are disappearing. It means the rules of business have changed. In the past, starting a business meant large investments, office space, employees, and long-term risk. Today, the most successful businesses are built on low cost, high demand, and fast execution. Many people still believe that money is the main barrier. That belief alone keeps them stuck. The truth is simple. In 2026, direction matters more than capital. The cheapest businesses today are not cheap in value. They are cheap because technology has removed barriers. You no longer need a physical office, a large team, years of experience. You only need a real problem, a simple solution, and the courage to start. This script is not just about business ideas. It is about changing how you see opportunity. Every business model in this video is low risk, low investment. Already working for real people in the USA. If you only watch this video for entertainment, nothing will change. But if you watch it with the intention to act, even one idea can completely change your financial future. The fastest growing and cheapest businesses in 2026 are digital service businesses. One of the newest opportunities is AI prompt consulting. Companies want to use AI, but they don't know how to use it properly. They waste time, get poor results, and feel overwhelmed. An AI prompt consultant helps businesses write better prompts, automate tasks, increase productivity. This business requires practice understanding AI behavior. Almost zero money. Another powerful model is a digital service agency. This does not mean you do everything yourself. You act as the middle person. You find clients. You use AI or freelancers to complete the work. You keep the profit. Services like social media management, video editing, email marketing are always in demand and often paid monthly. Then there is freelancing with AI. In 2026, freelancing is no longer about talent alone. It is about speed and efficiency, and AI provides both. Even beginners can offer copywriting, resume writing, graphic design because AI increases quality and saves time. The biggest advantage of digital businesses is simple. No office, no inventory, global clients. You can serve US-based businesses from anywhere. Not every profitable business in 2026 is online. Local service businesses are making a strong comeback because they solve real, immediate problems. Examples include cleaning services, lawn care, junk removal coordination, mobile car detailing. Many people avoid these businesses because they think physical labor is required. Smart entrepreneurs think differently. You build a system. You handle calls and bookings. You assign jobs to local workers. You manage the business. You don't need to do the physical work yourself. Another low-cost model is print on demand. This business allows you to sell products without inventory. You create designs. When someone orders, the product is printed, shipped directly to the customer. AI tools can now generate designs in minutes. Social media platforms provide free traffic. The biggest benefit, no storage, no upfront stock. Minimal risk, local and print-based businesses also have lower competition, faster trust, quicker cash flow. Content creation in 2026 is not about becoming famous. It is about turning attention into income. Faceless YouTube channels, Instagram theme pages, and AI-generated videos are real businesses. They earn through ads, affiliate marketing. Digital products, brand deals with just a smartphone and basic editing tools, you can build an audience. Alongside content creation is online coaching and consulting. If you have knowledge in fitness, career guidance, business AI tools, you can sell clarity and results. People don't buy certificates. They buy solutions. Zoom calls and simple scheduling tools are enough to start. The combination of content creation and coaching builds. Authority, trust, long-term income. This is not fast money, but it is strong money. Now let's address the real issue. Low views are not caused by bad luck or the algorithm. They happen because of misalignment. When? The script talks about education, but the visuals are generic, the viewer's brain disconnects. Another mistake is a weak hook. If the first 3 seconds do not trigger curiosity or emotion, viewers leave. Third problem, information without emotion. People don't stay for facts. They stay for stories, tension, and clarity. The solution, each paragraph must have a clear visual scene. Thumbnails must show one strong message. Hooks must start with a problem or shock. Remember, the algorithm follows retention, not effort. The longer people watch, the more your video spreads. If you keep waiting, 2026 will pass just like every other year. Cheap businesses do not create cheap futures. Right ideas with right execution do. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect timing. You need to start. If you want scripts that retain viewers, visuals that match perfectly, and content that actually grows, stay connected. This is not just content. This is a roadmap.